Why, hello, everybody. Welcome to week 4 here in Fundamentals of Criminal Law. We will be having a brief weekly update this week. And let me go ahead and get out of the way and we'll start talking about what we've got going on. So for this week, we're going to be looking at Title II of the Penal Code, which is going to be talking about criminal responsibility. So be sure to download your exam review so you can be working on it as you're reading the chapter in the Penal Code and as you're watching the video. And then you'll submit that along with what you find most interesting about this particular chapter in your original post for discussion number 3. You'll also need to take the quiz and for this chapter and make at least a 70 on it. That is the minimum. I would recommend that you retake it till you make a 100 because it will help your grade and you don't have to worry about having your score lowered because I take the highest score. And the last thing we've got going on this week is going to be a follow-up post to discussion number 2, or your follow-up post to discussion number 2. Please follow the rules. Go back and watch the video last week and the week before on how doing the follow-up post because I had a couple of people that just cut and paste their, I'm not even sure whether it was theirs or the other person's answers, just the whole thing, and like that's not the point. The point is to go look at individual answers, and each post only talk about the difference in one answer. If you want to go and do 5 or 10 of them, that's fine, but at least 3 individual posts where you have one answer that they have that is different than one answer that you have, and they can't be blank answers. So again, but please watch the video and get it done right, because I had 2 different people that showed up back to back, and when I was grading them, it's like, I'm not sure what they're doing. Again, they were the only 2 people that did it that way. A couple others were kind of way off. If you did not get 100% on the discussion number 1, please go back and watch the video and kind of figure out what you're supposed to be doing. Okay, well, that's all I've got for you this week. We will be having, let's see, our next exam's not coming up. Let me see which week. I think you've got 2 more weeks before it occurs. The exam is going to be in week 6, so we've got 2 weeks to the next exam. Your case review is not due until October, at the end of October, October 7th, so we're talking about 3 weeks. It doesn't take a lot of time to do them, but don't wait to the last minute. I would hope that you would write the paper and get someone else to read it, to proofread it. So give them enough time and challenge them to find some mistakes in it when you do that. Well, that's all I've got for you this week. I will talk to you again next week.